So, here is my age-old question. I have been a Day6 fan for I don't know how long now, and I've never quite been able to actually choose a bias. And from last video, where I asked my cat to choose for me, I sort of struggled. Well, I really struggled. So this time, I'm gonna use a little bit of bribery, but hopefully he can finally put to end this age-long question of who is gonna be my Day6 bias. But like, what if I bribe you? No? Oh my gosh. You'll take a bribe? No? You know you want to. Cool. So I've tried to set these up as like farthest away that I can from this guy. But I'm using bribery and I think he can kind of smell it. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to put a little bit, like the same exact amount on all of them, and then go through my explanation of who they are and why they're incredible. And he'll make the final decision. How do you feel about that, Kose? Of course. Okay. Okay. I'll set it up and then we'll go for it. Sounds good. Are you making the decision already without any bribery? Oh. Okay, no, yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah, you want some of these? Mm-hmm. Okay, you're gonna have to wait because it goes on here. You have to choose. Oh my gosh, you're going crazy. Okay, just a little bit. And then you have to listen. Oh, I guess that wasn't a little bit. Okay, quickly. Sit. Well, okay. Tell me, Kose, which Day6 member do you choose? Is it Drum, Bob, Chicken Little, One Fuel, or Brian? Tell me. Which one? Which one? Look. I love you too. I know you want catnip. They're all right here. All right there. Oh. Did you choose? Oh. You're a good kitty. Do you guys think that he chose one pill? He's playing with the distraction stuff. Look at them. Oh, so beautiful. Cozy. Look here, bud. Can I bribe you to grab one of them? Bro, I really think it's one pill. Okay. One pill it is. I get it, bro. Well, there you have it. One pill it is. And I'm actually pretty excited about it. I think I can hop on that one. With him being able to take on an instrument that he wasn't even ready for when and having to struggle between computer and a synth and a keyboard. I think One Pill is, look at this. Oh. I could have 2 biases, right? Double biased. Maybe 3 biases, 4 biases, 5 biases. All of the biases. It looks to me though like Kosei has now chosen Young K. So that's it. One Pill, Young K. Sounds great. Hey Kosei, tell our friends. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye, Kosei.